Hey everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get engineering plastic in one's human. If I open up my map and go to this area called Chalk Peak, and this area is the best place to form engineering plastic. Places like tall grass and other areas in Chalk Peak like this one and this one. So basically this whole area, Chalk Peak area, is the best place to form engineering plastic. And to get engineering plastic, you can do multiple things like kill enemies and load their drops, or you can also search for items in the environment such as chests and storage crates. After gathering enough loot, you can head back to your territory and open the disassembly bench. And after opening the disassembly bench, you can select all to automatically choose all the items that can be broken down. You will notice that certain items like military protective gear, microscopes, old military helmets, detectors, propellers and searchlights yields a good amount of engineering plastic. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.